the events that happened on the night of November 15th, 2017.
The defendant kidnapped me on my way home from work, called my wife, demanded she pay $25,000 or he was going to kill me.
Tyrone, what were you doing the night of November 15th, 2017?
That night, I was working a late shift at my regular job, Popeyes.
What is your relationship to Tyrone?
Tyrone is my husband.
Does your husband have a job?
He works at Popeyes.
What is his work ethic?
He always goes to work. He's always on time, very conscientious in general.
Are you aware of Tyrone's gang affiliation?
No, I am not.
Objection, Your Honor. This witness lacks personal knowledge according to Rule 602, so therefore she cannot testify to an essential matter of this fact, which ties into Tyrone's gang affiliation leading to the victim's kidnapping.
Granted.
Can you state what your job is?
I'm the manager at Popeyes.
And how do you know Tyrone?
He's one of my employees.
And do you recall if he was scheduled for November 15th?
I do not.
Your Honor, may I present the evidence of the schedule for the week of November 14th through the 21st? It is relevant to see if Tyrone was scheduled, and it's not a waste of time to the case.
Proceed.
Was Tyrone scheduled on the night of November 15th?
No.
Objection, Your Honor. According to Rule 612, the witness is using writing to refresh her memory for the purpose of testifying. Therefore, this evidence should not be permitted.
Overruled. I'll allow it. Is it true that you have video evidence of Tyrone threatening your wife?
Yes.
Your Honor, I would like to admit Exhibit B, which is the video of Tyrone threatening my client's wife, and it is relevant because it is essential to the fact that Tyrone threatened her wife, and it passes the balancing test because it shows probative value and will not unfairly prejudice the jury because it is definitely essential to the fact of her wife being threatened.
I'll allow it.
If I don't get my $25,000 by the end of the night, you will never see your precious little wife again.
Tyrone, how do you know the victim's wife?
Unfortunately, I know her because she's been trying to blackmail me.
Objection. This statement is not relevant to the case at hand according to Federal Rule of Evidence 401. It's also a waste of time and could be confusing to the jury according to Federal Rule of Evidence 403.
Overruled.
How do you know the victim's wife?
She attends the same church as I do, and she rings bells there. I wouldn't have guessed that she would blackmail or hurt anyone.
Objection, Your Honor. I would like to impeach the witness according to Rule 607 and also Rule 613 regarding her prior statements. She has recently written on Facebook how much she hated the victim's wife. So on those grounds of her, inconsistent prior statements, I would like to impeach this witness.
Sustained. How do you know the victim's wife?
The victim's wife is my mother's best friend. I always hear my mother say great things about her.
Objection. According to Rule 802, hearsay is not admissible.
Sustained.
Is it true that you previously committed credit card fraud?
Objection. This is a violation of FRE 404B, other crimes or wrongs or acts being brought up in the courtroom.
Your Honor, pursuant to FRE 406, this should be permitted because it proves that he is a habitual offender.
Sustained.
Your Honor, can I present the gun that was used in the kidnapping of the victim? According to FRE 401, it's relevant, and then according to FRE 403, it passes the balancing test.
Granted.
Objection. This gun is fruit of the poisonous tree because the prosecution did not submit it before the pretrial, therefore being a FRE 402 violation.
Sustained.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
No.
Your Honor, the witness will not vow to testify under oath, which is a violation of Federal Rule of Evidence 603.
Sustained.
The jury has come to the verdict that the defendant is guilty of all 3 convictions: kidnapping, assault, and coercion.